232 LL, and we got a new train. It's the c151 unrefurbished. The first train to enter the service in 1987, if I'm right. So let's go unboxing this. We go see the packaging first. So they have the whole 9 to the 5th to the 4th, and here's the sign. You guys can pause the video and read this part. Alright, and let's go unbox this. Okay. Wait, before we open, I did make this model. It's a C151A because my grandma gave me $40, and I was about to save up the train model. It's a new one, and instead I just bought the C151 unrefurbished model. So let's go unbox this. Pull this crap. Looking at the designs, it's the same design. It's an artifact to me. Eagle. Is it? I'll show the difference. Okay, here's the difference. The version I think was released this year is a different voice one and different tiring. Well, this one it's old. It was released last year, I think.
Jangan tinggalkan barang anda tanpa diawasi. Jika anda ternampak
orang
atau barang yang mencurigakan, sila laporkan kepada kaki tangan kami atau tekan butang kecemasan yang terletak di
I broken and I lost one of this part for the C651. This part was broken, so I can find it. So next time, do not break your car. Okay. To the interior design, it's just like painted red. It's silver and it has the old logo, and it's really good quality. Here's the problem: the door always open like a little bit slow. Like, okay, I'm gonna pull this in. So let's go pour this thing in 3. You just put it by everyone. Wait, before we try, I'm gonna try to close this thing. It doesn't work. I'm gonna try to work. It works without putting. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Jurong East. This train service ends here. Cross over to platform C on the left for train service towards Kaliji, Pasir Ris, and Changi Airport. Cross over to platform F on the right for train service towards Tuas Link.
Okay, the thing is the lighting, but then the color. Yeah, the thing is different. Like when I press the unrefurbished one, the lighting is a little bit lighter. So it looks the same. Like it's the same thing but different one. It's the same design, but a different the different chassis to build apart. The problem is for the logo, right? They improved the logo. Like the part here, right? Is like, if you can see, the logo is the opposite way. For the new one, I mean that was released in May or something, I forgot. This was like pasted the right way. So I think they fixed the thing, the logos. And let's go have a race. Which one is faster a little bit? Three, two, one, go.
Change at this station for the Bukit Panjang LRT.
And the winner is the unrefurbished c151. But this one's the lowest because I did put it in the display box. Well, it's kind of good ones. If you're like an adult, want to get something like to collect yourself, and you like trains or bus or whatever, I recommend to collect this train model and the both of them. This one actually came from the can shop, and this one came from last year's ToyCon, and I just made this on my own. Go find just a c151 paper, and in the first result I will show you this. It's a c151A, yep. You should get this for your kids or whatever. And thanks for watching my videos. Bye.